War crimes. Two words that carry the weight of accountability in a hope that no one, no leader, no government is above the law. But when it comes to the United States and Israel, that weight is often hollow. For as long as we can remember, the US has shielded Israel from accountability, threatened international courts, and even left open the possibility of military action against justice itself. In 2002, President George W. Bush signed a law granting the president the authority to use force to liberate any American or Allied citizen detained by the International Criminal Court. The target? The Hague. While then Senator Joe Biden initially opposed the law, he eventually voted for it. This law wasn't just about protecting US soldiers standing trial for atrocities committed during the so-called War on Terror. It was a statement, a rather audacious one. American exceptionalism is apparently above international law. That same year, Bush and then Israeli Prime Minister Ariel Sharon withdrew their signature from the treaty that created the ICC. The message was clear: accountability for war crimes should not apply to the US or its closest ally, Israel. Fast forward to 2024. The ICC has issued arrest warrants for Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and former Security Minister Yoav Gallant for war crimes in Gaza, including blocking humanitarian aid to the Strip and deliberately targeting civilians. When the ICC Prosecutor Karim Khan first hinted at these arrest warrants, President Biden called the idea outrageous. His defense? That there is no equivalence between Israel and the Palestinian resistance. To be fair, he is not wrong. They are incomparable, just for the opposite reasons of what the US alleges. But let's talk numbers. Over 44,000 Palestinians have been killed in Gaza. More than half of them are women and children, and more than 100,000 have been injured. Meanwhile, in Lebanon, almost 4,000 people have died and tens of thousands have been injured due to Israel's unabated strikes. Yet, the Biden administration continues to send billions of dollars in military aid to Israel while vetoing ceasefire resolutions for Gaza time and time again. While human rights groups have praised the ICC's bold move, some are asking whether Biden himself would also face accountability for enabling and being complicit in the Israeli war on Gaza. You see, Israel's war on Gaza has proved that the ideals of justice and international law are just empty rhetoric when it comes to the powerful.